Hey guys, welcome to the new and improved Campus Advantage Academy. Going to walk you through a couple things here on the new homepage to help you out and get you connected to the things that you need. So first you'll notice we have a change in our homepage. Here on the left-hand column, you will see a snapshot of your information and your training. You'll see how much you've completed, how much you have past due or due soon, and some of those items will be listed here in the column so you can launch them or mark them complete straight from this section. You'll also see we have a ton of banners going through. This is going to provide you with some really great upcoming information about the company or any processes we have. Maybe if we have a new training or a new webinar video you want to access, we'll show these here on the banner so that you can access those at your own time. Finally, further down here, you'll see we have a bunch of carousels with great extra training. Nothing that's assigned or required of you, but other things that could be really helpful for you along your way. So feel free to look through the featured and continued learning suggested carousels here. We are going to be continuing to update those with really relevant information over time. So stay tuned for more detailed instructions on how best to use these carousels in the future. You can always access your standard transcript that you're used to in the past by going up here to Transcript and clicking on View Your Transcript, or clicking on the View button next to the transcript on your home page. So we're going to click on this here just to show you that it goes back to your standard transcript that you have been assigned in the company. So here, as before, you can go find your curricula, open it up, and take the appropriate policies, procedures, and training videos that you have assigned. Another really exciting feature that we have is our Knowledge Bank navigation link page. So if you hover over Knowledge Bank, you will see there's a link for Process Quick Links. Clicking on that will take you to a page that has a ton of really great links that'll take you directly to the policies and procedure documents that we have for each process that you're responsible for. So depending on your position, you can scroll down and you can get an idea for the types of processes that you will need to learn more about. So, for example, under Petty Cash, if you need to complete something or learn more about Petty Cash, you can click on this link and it'll take you to all of the documents related to Petty Cash in our system. Now, we know everybody's role has a little bit different requirements, and so all of the links live there. You can just click on the ones that are applicable to you, or if you want to learn more, you can certainly dig in and learn about the other documents available here on the Academy. Finally, we have our operations manual. So this is our kind of big explanation of why we do the things that we do with Campus Advantage. So if you're interested in looking more into that, we have an ebook version here that you can access. We also have a PDF version that you're able to download. Next, we have reports. So you'll see under reports, if you are a manager in the system, you will have access to a dashboard that you can get some training data on. Finally, the last thing I want to share with you is this report a system issue. We certainly want to make sure our academy is as up to date and accurate as humanly possible, but we need your help if you notice something that doesn't make sense or doesn't work right. So if you ever come across something that doesn't make sense, please go ahead and hover over this section and select Submit a Ticket. This is going to take you to a form to give us some information so we go ahead and fix the issue for you and fix it for every other Campus Advantage employee who has access to the system. So that's a quick overview of our updates. So if you ever have questions about our new Campus Advantage homepage or any of the other features we have, please go ahead and reach out to Kelly Vickroy, myself, via email, via phone, whatever works for you. We hope you love our new updates to our Campus Advantage Academy, and stay tuned for even more great things that we're going to be rolling out in the very near future. Thanks. Have a good day.